Hey, would you like to make a visually appealing video from a boring PDF or a document? With DeepReel's file-to-video feature, you can do it in a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. From our homepage, click File to Video. Drag your PDF or a document. Select your video type, aspect ratio, desired length, and avatar. DeepReel offers a wide variety so you can find the perfect face for your video. Once you've found your perfect match, just click Preview Draft. Watch as DeepReel's AI-powered genie works its magic, transforming your document into a full-blown video with visuals, graphics, music, and captions. It's like having your very own production studio at your fingertips. DeepReel offers a rich palette of visual styles to choose from, so you can tailor the look to perfectly match your content. Everything looks and sounds great. Let's click Generate and see our document come to life. With DeepReel, turning a simple document into a dynamic, attention-grabbing video has never been easier. Visit deepreel.com and start creating videos that captivate and inspire.